Looks like a bit of coordinate geometry. P and Q, let's put those numbers on our little diagram. 0, 2, and 3, 7. And they're on L1, this one. L2 is perpendicular. So let's put a right angle on there too. It doesn't quite look like it. And we've got to find an equation for L2. And we've got to find the exact coordinates of R. And then find the quadrilateral ORQP. Okay, so part A. First of all, the gradient of L1 is equal to 7 minus 2 over 3 minus 0, which equals 5 over 3, which means that the gradient of L2 is minus 1 divided by 5/3 equals minus 3/5. So turn this one upside down, change the sign, and equation of L2 is, we're going to use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. If you're using y equals mx plus c, stop it and use y minus y1. Equation of L2 is y take away, so it goes through this point, so y is 7, is equal to gradient minus 3/5 of x take away 3. Remember, y take away y1 equals m x minus x1. Rearranging this to put it into the format where a, b and c are integers, the best thing to do is multiply everything by 5. So 5y take away 35 and multiply this bracket out by minus 3, so minus 3x plus 9. Move everything over to the same side, make it equal to 0. So 5y plus 3x, take away 44, equals 0. Done. Part B. The exact coordinates of R. Well, R is on line 2, and the y coordinate is 0. So at R, y is equal to 0, gives us that 5 nothings is nothing, 3x minus 44 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 44 over 3. R is 44 over 3, comma 0, because that's what the question asks us for, the exact coordinates of R. And C, to find the exact area of the quadrilateral, OP, Q, R. Right, so I'm going to split this. There's 3 or 4 different ways of doing this. I'm going to split this into a trapezium look and a triangle. So OPQR is the trapezium. I'm going to call that point S. OPQS plus triangle QRS. And the trapezium, P has got a height of 2, Q has got a height of 7, so 2 plus 7 and halve it times the distance between them. Well, the x coordinate of Q is 3, so that's 0.30. So the distance from 0 to 3 is 3, so that's times 3, so that's trapezium. And the triangle has got a base of 44 over 3, take away 3, which is 35 over 3, times a half, times the height, which is 3. So that 3 and that 3 cancel, and we've got 2 and 7 is 9, divided by 2 times 3 is 27 over 2, plus 35 over 2, and that's equal to 31.